Hi guys, what's this mystery box here? It's black and red. So this is the new AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. Let's see what's inside. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is the Radeon RX 5700 XT. I must say it looks quite a bit better in person than on the presentation in internet. A leaflet, and that's it. Yes, it definitely looks better. The shroud looks to be from aluminum. It has tiny grooves on it. Will it get so hot that it will need it? I don't know. It uses an 8 and a 6-pin power connector, and it is open from the backside, so presumably some will not. Yeah, probably some of the air will go from the backside. So what's it? 1, 2, 3, 3 display port connectors and a single HDMI. That's it guys, bye!